Hi everyone, I am Dr. P. Kanabati, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, AVS College of Arts and Science, sir. Today we discuss about the glycolysis. What is the glycolysis? What is the basic concept of glycolysis? The glucose molecules metabolized in the cell via aerobic and anaerobic condition. The glycolysis is another name, Embden-Meier pathway or EMP pathway. The sequence reaction converting the glucose molecules to pyruvate or lactate in the production of ATP. What is the silent feature of glycolysis? It is a major pathway for utilization of ATP, and it takes place in all cells of the body. The several enzymes are involved in this pathway in the presence of cytosol of the cell. It occurs both aerobic and anaerobic condition. So reactions of glycolysis. The glucose molecules break down to form the two molecules of pyruvates. In this reaction is involved in the 10 reactions. It's an energy investment phase and energy generation phase. The first step of glycolysis is a glucose molecules are converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Is a help of the enzyme is a hexokinase or glucokinase. It's involved in the cofactor is a magnesium 2+. It's a energy is a yielding process. The ATP converted to ADP. So adenosine triphosphate converted to adenosine diphosphate. So one phosphate molecules are attached into the 6th position. So it's called as the glucose 6-phosphate. Next. This is the second step of glycolysis. So glucose 6-phosphate molecules to convert it to fructose 6-phosphate. Is involved in the enzymes is a phosphoexose isomerase. So whenever the presence in the AAC in the last of the name is representative to the enzymes. It's a isomerase is one of the enzymes. It is a reversible reaction. It's back to the glucose molecules. Fructose is back to the glucose 6-phosphate molecules. Next. It's a third reaction. So fructose 6-phosphate converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. There are two molecules of phosphate are present in the first position and the 6th position. So the help of the enzyme phosphofructokinase and utilizing the phosphate and ATP to ADP is a irreversible reaction. So cannot come back to the reactions. Next. And fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to split the reaction. So split the reaction. The 6 carbon molecules to split the 3 carbons of 2 molecules. One is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Another one is the diacetone phosphate. The help of the enzyme aldolase. So diacetone phosphate and to form the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. These are two reactions. Here is a reversible reaction. It's a converter enzyme is a phosphotriose isomerase. So diacetone phosphate is isomerated to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by the enzymes phosphotriose isomerase. In this reaction, 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate are formed. So each and every time the 2 steps are involved in the glycolysis pathway. So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate can also be synthesized from glycerol. It's a fats by the phosphorylation in the fat synthesis metabolism. This is the reversible reaction. This go to the comeback. Next. So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is each and every, after that this process is 2 times involved in the glycolysis metabolism. So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate are converted to 1,3 bisphosphate glycerate. The help of the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. So here the it's a first group of phosphate group are present and third group is present in the phosphate group. So that's called as the 1,3 bisphosphate. Bis means is here 2 phosphate. Bis means 2. So 1,3 bisphosphoglyceride to converted to 3-phosphoglyceride. The help of the enzyme 3-phosphoglyceride kinase, the is a energy yielding process. So two ADPs, adenosine diphosphate, to yield of the one phosphate group is a 2 ATP. So 2 means is a 2 ATP are synthesis. So eighth step is there. 3 phosphoglycerate also converted to 2 phosphoglycerate. The help of the enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. It's a reversible reaction. It's back to the reaction. It can be back to the reactions. So next one is there. The phosphoglycerate converted to phosphoenol pyruvate. Is the last step is before. And it is the help of the enzymes enolase. The cofactors are involved in the magnesium 2 plus and remove one molecules of water molecules are removed from in these reactions. The last reaction, the pyruvate, phosphoenol pyruvate are converted to the pyruvate. It's an aerobic condition. The glycolysis metabolic aerobic condition within the axon. And the final reaction, the phosphoenol pyruvate are converted to pyruvate. The help of the enzyme pyruvate kinase, it is last step is energy yielding. So 2 ADP is involved in the to synthesize the 2 ATP. It's a irreversible reaction. Is another one reaction. Is it's an anaerobic condition. In this reaction, the pyruvate are converted to lactate. The help of enzyme, the lactate dehydrogenase is NADH are involved in these reactions. So in anaerobic conditions, the pyruvate is reduced to the lactate by the enzymes lactate dehydrogenase. Here, the reducing equivalent NADH is used to are synthesized in the 5th steps of glycolysis. This is overall for the glycolysis metabolism, and is a preparative phase. Is one of the preparative space. Next one is a payoff. Is the energy yielding process. So energy yielding process. Finally the pyruvate phosphoenol pyruvate to produce to convert it to form the pyruvate. Whenever the aerobic condition to form the pyruvate, and anaerobic condition without oxygen, the anaerobic condition, the pyruvate is synthesized lactate. Next is a energy yielding of the glycolysis. So aerobic condition, the total number of ATP are synthesized in the 7 ATP, and anaerobic condition is a synthesis of the 2 ATP. Next. So thank you everyone.